In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink your Yahoo account from your Gmail account. If you've linked these accounts in the past for ease of access or to consolidate your emails, but now feel it's time to separate them, you're in the right place. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be managing your Yahoo and Gmail accounts independently once more. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other of your choice on your device. Then, go to the Gmail website and sign in if you aren't already. To proceed, you'll need to click on the settings icon, which you can find in the upper right corner of the Gmail interface. It's represented by a small gear symbol. Once you click on that icon, a drop-down menu will appear here. You'll want to select the option that says See All Settings. On the settings page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Accounts and Import. This section is where you manage all your link accounts and import settings. Scroll down until you notice a section titled Check Mail from Other Accounts. Within this area, you will see your Yahoo account listed if it's currently connected. Next to your Yahoo email address, you'll notice a Delete option. By selecting this option, you'll initiate the unlinking process. A confirmation prompt might appear, asking if you're sure you want to unlink this account. If so, go ahead and confirm your choice. This step ensures that Gmail will no longer fetch emails from your Yahoo account. Now, if you have had your Yahoo account set up to send emails as if from Gmail, you'll need to revisit the Send Mail As section in the same Accounts and Import tab. Make sure to identify any entries associated with your Yahoo account, click the Delete link next to them, and confirm this action if requested. This will stop Gmail from sending emails with your Yahoo address in the From field. Lastly, if you've integrated Yahoo into Gmail through any email app or client, you'll want to check those too, especially if you use a mobile device. You may need to go into your phone's settings or app settings to ensure that the link is fully broken there as well. And there you have it, a clean break between your Yahoo and Gmail accounts. This separation might help you manage your inboxes with greater focus by keeping each account's emails distinct and tidy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future helpful tutorials.